Hello guys, welcome back to the channel, the Asian Mechanic Guy. And for today guys, we got this 2000 Toyota Tacoma free runner. And today guys, we are going to replace the front brake pad for this car. So guys, join me today and let's fix some cars. Alright guys, let's remove the tire. We're using 21 mm socket and also a special tools. Special lug nut tools. It comes with the car. Alright guys, let's remove this first. And then the one on the bottom. So see the orientation like this. And then this one. There you go. So it was like that. Top is in here, bottom is in here, like that. Okay. And now let's remove this. So let's spray some penetrating oil. And use a nail. Oops, look. Now let's do the one on the bottom guys, this one. So same procedure. Use the nail head to push this, and then use it to push this all the way. So it's a little bit stuck, but you know, we can do it. There you go. Alright, second one, they look the same, so it doesn't matter which one is which. Okay, now let's press this one, but before we press this one, open the fluid reservoir on the under the hood. So now guys, let's press this brake pad. So I'm using a 2-flat screwdriver. Oh. So by the way, this guys is a side by side piston. So there were like 2 in here and also 2 in here. So guys, we should sneak something in here, so when we push this one is not gonna go back. And again guys, make sure your brake fluid reservoir under the hood is open. I think that should be it. Now we can remove the brake pad. So this is the brake pad. There you go. Now let's clean the caliper. Remove all those gunk, this dirt. Alright guys, we get the brand new brake pad. It's a Ribestos. Alright guys, before we put on the brand new pad, let's put some grease. Something. Oh. Nice. Second one, compare it. It's good. Put some grease on. Go. Nice. Now, but guys, before we put this locking pin, we need to sand it. Alright guys, now it's smooth and clean. Now we can start putting it. So we can put it at the same time. Sometimes it's still tough to put it on, but there you go. Alright guys, let's put on this clip right there, and then That's it. So see it, guys. There's a hole in here. Just sneak it in there. And just twist this a little bit so it will lock. Go. Then yes, guys, this is the way you do it. There you go. This anti-rattling metal sheet done. So that's it, guys. That's how you replace a brake pad for a 2000 Toyota Tacoma 2.7 liters engine. It's a rear wheel drive, a pre-runner. So if you have any question, guys, any suggestion, please comment down below, and consider like and subscribe my channel too. That's all for today, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.